Some food myths that you have seen people follow, and which is a complete fact. People shouldn't be doing that, but people believe that that's good for you. Anything in your opinion?
Fat makes you fat. I think that's one of my favorite. No, fat does not make you fat.
Right.
You have to consume the right kind of fats, right? You have nuts, you have olive oil. It's very important. Your body needs it. It's on a cellular level. You need fat.
Right.
For skin, for regeneration, you need fat. So fat does not make you fat.
So what is the right kind of fat that people should be consuming?
I would say have some almonds, walnuts in your day. Have healthy cold pressed oils. Very important to have
Why
cold pressed
cold
oil.
press? What is cold press do?
Because it maintains the integrity of the oils,
Okay.
right? When you're not processing it, when you're not subjecting it to heat and things like that, you change the oils on a molecular level. So it's not providing with the same nutrition that it should, which is why cold pressed is always better.
One more thing. So you're saying that lesser work goes into cold press than processed, but cold press is more expensive than processed, right?
Yeah.
How does that work? If something is causing a company, I just want to understand
I think it's on a manufacturing basis. So
Okay.
when you subject it to all of those heating and those kind of things, I think it lasts longer. And
Shelf life is
shelf
more.
life is more,
Got it.
and I think you get more product as well out
Got
of
it.
it.
Yeah.
Which is why the manufacturing industries do that to increase shelf life of a
Got it.
product. Yeah.
Got it.
But cold press oils, like I think somebody told me, a nice tip to have: buy your oil out of a glass bottle,
Okay.
not a plastic bottle. So the oils that come in a glass bottle, cold press oils,
Okay.
are always better than even olive oil for that matter. When you get it in a plastic bottle, you'll notice it'll say olive pomace oil. That's not good for you.
Okay.
Don't get that. That's processed oil.
Wow.
But get refined, you get proper olive oil, cold pressed olive oil, good for you. Cold pressed almond oil, good for you. But we as Indians, I mean, coconut oil, best solution that you
100%,
have. Yeah,
100%.
it's for cooking. It's so versatile. It's for cooking. You can use it for so many things. It's even good for your skin.
100%.
So like extra virgin coconut oil, amazing for food.
So in my home, they did not use a lot of coconut oil. But when I studied in Kerala,
Yeah,
the moment I landed in Kerala,
you
coconut
can
oil
smell the coconut oil.
everywhere. Yeah, you can smell it. People have it and you can even, I think it promotes a lot. It does a lot of Kerala people. They look very young. There's something, I think. Is it the oil? Is it the country? Is it? I have no
I think
idea.
it's the oil, the food. I think it's a mixture of everything.
Yeah.
So even in our cooking, a lot of recipes call for coconut oil because it changes the way the food tastes as well. For the better, I think. I think a
100%.
lot of our food has coconut in it, right?
Right.
So it changes the way the food tastes.
Perfect.